Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to share your location. So let's get started. First, open Google Maps on your device. Then tap on this icon to go to your location. Then tap on this blue dot that represents your location. And here you can see your option that says share location. So tap on it. And here you can also set the time that you want to share this location to anyone. You can also select the second option until you turn this off. But for now, let's set it to 15 minutes only. And now you need to choose the method that you want to share this location with, either through Messenger or through Messages or through Telegram. So choose any platform that you want to share your location through. Then tap on Share. Now tap on the Send button to share your location to anyone that you like. And guys, that was it. This is how you share your location. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.